Hi, this is Dario with 4seating.com, and today we'll be showing you how to replace the pull handle on your recliner. The only tools needed today is going to be a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of pliers. To get started, let's go ahead and put the seat on its side. Now this is going to give us access to the full mechanism. To get started, we're going to first remove these two Phillips screws here. I'm going to go ahead and save these screws, put them aside because we're going to need them in a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and grab this, pull it around. Now there's a tab here. Pinch it from underneath and pull up. It should come out just like that. We're going to follow the cable here to the front and we're going to release this tab just like that. We're going to pull up on it and it should come right out. We're going to put the old cable aside. We're going to go ahead and grab the new Recline lever. We're going to first screw on the top portion here with the two screws we took out earlier. Now that we got those nice and tight, we're going to grab the cable, pull it around over. First, we're going to insert this metal tab to the top hole. I'm going to go ahead and insert that and just pull straight down. We're going to keep a little bit of tension on that as we go ahead and insert the tab into the metal frame. You're going to push down until you hear it click. You're going to hear it clip. That means we're done. And go ahead now, and we're going to go ahead and put the seat back up and we're going to test it. Great, it's working. If you have any further questions, please visit us at 4seating.com.